All right, welcome once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Trust GBC. So, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get design inspiration whenever you are stuck. So, as a graphic designer, there are some times when you need inspiration, when you need ideas, when you are out of inspiration at the moment. So, what do you have to do? You have to go online, search for inspiration, depends on what you're working on, search for inspiration, search for ideas, and then get back to work. So, what I normally do whenever I'm given any design project to handle, I go online, I search for fresh ideas before doing any design. So, we'll be using this application for this. This is Pinterest. So, you can go over to your Play Store or App Store and download Pinterest in your phone. So, open your Pinterest app and then sign up. So, this is how the interface looks like. This is how the interface looks like. So whenever you are giving any design or whenever you are looking for fresh ideas or inspirations to work on, come over to your Pinterest and search depending on what you are working on. Let's say I'm giving a church flyer design. I want to work on a church flyer design, and then my head is just full. Like, I need ideas. So what I'll do is I'll come over to Pinterest and then search church flyer design ideas. You can see it here. So this is it. These are church flyer design. I'm not saying you should copy people's work. I'm not saying you should copy and paste. What I'm saying is go to Pinterest and get inspiration. Getting inspiration is different from copying people's work. You can look at this design, when looking at it, you're already drawing inspiration. You're already getting ideas to work on your own design. Don't copy anybody's work. That's not what I'm teaching you. So this particular flyer is very nice. So this is the guy that did the design. I love it. So what I'll do is I'll click on these three dots and then I'll click on download image, and then that is it. So let's look for another. This is also nice. This is also nice. I love this, working with the Lord. This is very nice. And from here you can as well get your resources, not only inspiration. You can as well get your resources from here, and then that is it. These are nice designs. Whenever I come to Pinterest, I can't find myself again. Like, if I just come inside Pinterest, like if I just open my Pinterest app, the next thing is I don't even know what I'm doing, because I can spend more than 30 minutes on Pinterest looking at designs, staring at designs. That's also how I get my own inspiration. So these are just church flyer designs you can try out. This is very nice. This is very nice. I love this. So let me show you another thing about this Pinterest app. This Pinterest app, one thing about it is you can see a resources. Like, someone can use a particular resource for a design, and you can get that particular thing using this icon here, this icon. So you can click on this icon like this and then drag it like this. This is it. So though I might not get exactly that same thing, but we can see something similar here. So that's it. So if you need maybe the background or something, you can click on this and then drag it to the background. So here are many backgrounds you can use, though you might not get the particular background or the particular thing you're looking for in most cases, but you can get some related resources you can still work with. So that's one sweet thing about this Pinterest app. So I want to work on a birthday flyer design. What I'll do now is, wow, very nice design. Okay, I want to work on a birthday flyer design. What I'll do, I'll just come here and then search birthday flyers or birthday flyer design ideas, stuffs like that. Birthday flyer designs, birthday flyer backgrounds, many of them. So you can see it. You can see this birthday flyer. You can get idea from here. You can even get backgrounds, and wow, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. These are nice. These are nice designs. You can check this out. Okay, let me follow you. Wow, beautiful design. Beautiful design. Beautiful design. I love this. I love this. I love this. Let me save it. So what I do when I want to, let's take for instance, I want to do a church flyer design. I can come to Pinterest and download 10 different church flyer designs. So what I'll do is I'll get idea from here, get from here, get from here, and I'll make up one design. So you cannot see me copy anybody's work, steal anybody's work. No. What I do is just to get inspiration from different designs and then combine them together to achieve one flyer. That is it. This is nice. Nice birthday design. Wow. I love this. I love this background. I think I'll try this out. I can comfortably spend 30 to 1 hour on Pinterest scrolling just looking at people's work. That's also how to get better. When I see people steal people's work, just copy everything, copy the color, I just laugh. They don't know what they are doing, seriously. I think we are deviating or something. So you too can still open a Pinterest account. You can create a Pinterest account for yourself and then you can be posting your works as well. So when you go to other people's page, you look at their works, get inspiration. You also post your own work. Others can come to your own page and then get inspiration as well. So that's just how. But I'm not. Okay, let me check out my Pinterest. This is about 1 year ago. I don't have anything on Pinterest, but we work on that. We work on that. We work on that. This is a business card design. You can get literally everything here on Pinterest. So the thing there is just to know the kind of keyword to input to get the exact thing you want. Now these are business flyers. You can see it. These are business flyers. These are background. We work with this background. It's very nice. Check this out. This is also nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. From the sketch to the screen, I make art shine. Trust Chibuizi, yeah, my craft divine. They say, can you make it pop? I say, watch me go. Logos, flyers, brands, yeah. So these are business flyers. Wow, 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 wow. Nice designs. Sometimes you can come to Pinterest and you don't even know what you're looking at again. Because everything here, literally everything here is just beautiful. Check out this flyer. Check these flyers out. Let me download this. And this too. RGB or CMYK, I mix the shades, I paint the way. No AI can take my space, cause real design got soul and taste. Oh, I design my destiny. Yeah, every brush. So let me give you an assignment. Open your Pinterest app like I did. Scroll, check out designs, check out ideas, and come back and tell me if you are still stuck. Tell me if you don't have, like, if you didn't get inspiration here. This is just one of the secrets nobody will tell you. Like when you post designs, you'll see stuff like how did you get inspiration? Something like that. This is just the secret. When you're looking at this design, you're already drawing inspiration. You don't need to copy the person's work. That's just it. That's where many persons are getting it wrong. You don't need to copy the person's work. This is a very nice design. Very nice design. You can see it. This particular image this guy used here. This is it here. So let me download it. I'll be trying it out as well. Wow, wow, wow. Nice, 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 nice. So that is it. Go ahead and download your Pinterest and then try it out. This is just it. Nice design. Where do we go to? We are lost. Wow. Wow. I love this. You can use this particular background for birthday flyer design. I mean, for ladies. You can use it for brand design, like you can use it for business flyers, like all the skincare products and all the rest of them. Something like this. This birthday flyer is very nice. Very nice birthday flyer. Wow. I think I'll have to follow this person. Wow, wow, wow. From the first sketch to the last refine, trust the beliefs, yet the stars align. Create the future one line at a time. So try this out and come back and thank me later. I'll see you on the next one.